Yamaha debuts the new Grand Filano retro-style scooter in Indonesia and recently in Thailand. The generation today of scooters are hype and outstanding thanks to the technology trend that evolved years and years where features and performance are focal point. However, styling is more important than ever in attracting new riders to these useful two-wheelers. With its recent crop of fashionable scooters available throughout the Asian market, Grand Filano is here for those of you who have an elegant soul and prioritize technological innovation. The various technological features in this scooter are able to bring the rider one step further ahead, so that the rider can experience a driving experience that is clearly very different, as well as being a special pride when riding Yamaha's best motorbike. It has a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that can produce up to 8 horsepower and 7.5 pound-feet of torque at its maximum capacity. The engine is ably assisted by an electric motor. It is also called as Smart Motor Generator. Under slower moving conditions, the motor gives an extra boost to the vehicle, enabling it to move forward. The high-tech look of LCD dash display with Bluetooth connectivity is one of the other key trend features available on the new Grand Filano, along with 27 liters of underseat storage, enough to put all you need for an enjoyable ride. The next unique feature also is the LED lights all around that give ample illumination. The built-in USB charger port to charge your electronics on longer journeys, and the unique cool stowable rear foot pegs. The Grand Filano has 12-inch wheels up front and back and is supported by a conventional telescopic fork and a monoshock at the back, just like the majority of fashionable scooters of this sort. It's also equipped with a front disc and a rear drum as well as single-channel ABS as standard. The stylish ride with Grand Filano has now additional attractive accessories kit. The headlight cover and cover meter with 2 color tone to choose from. Cover front flasher that has 2 available colors. Fender lid. Leg shield. And under-seat pad carbon that are all made from real carbon material. Two-tone color of cover rear flasher. With Grand Filano. Stylish and effortless, eco-friendly with blue core hybrid, smart features for everyday vibes.